Hey, welcome back. We're going to do now a bit of an unboxing of a battle belt that I bought off, not Temu, but off AliExpress. It's a Ronin tactical knockoff. Looked really good on the site. Had no objections. Had a mate who actually got one, and it looked really good. He gave me the link, so I know a guy that knows a guy, and now you know a guy, so if you need it, link will be in the description. But I'm going to do the unboxing, have a look at it, see what it comes with. I got the belt in multicam black, and also 2 magazine pouches that came with it. I got that for about $30 US, so it was pretty good considering that the actual real price is what I put up now. I think it's somewhere around the $180 mark. Alright, let's get into it, shall we? Well, it's definitely packed well. So, got some Chinesium writing plastic there. Get all of that. This is the worst knife ever. So let's pick up. Wow, yeah, really good. So, you got that inner belt, really nice design, nice and thin, seems really good. We've got the belt itself, quite rigid, like there's a lot of rigidity in it. It's quite, I have got one that was a similar price from Temu, and it was nowhere near as rigid as this, but it wasn't really what I was going for. Just kind of to see how it went. So go over and through, and that's backwards. So I go the other. There we go. Really solid belt buckle there. That it's meant to be a Cobra, I'm assuming, but very solid. It's got the Ronin symbol there with the loop for the, just really solid design. Actually, it's much more sturdy than a lot of the other cheap battle belts that I've seen. See how it goes for fit. Did order a medium, and it said that it would be perfect, really snug. I just kind of eyeballed that, but really good, really solid belt buckle. Really like that. So yeah, Ronin there. It's quite expensive normally, but very good rigid belt. I got it in multicam black for no other reason that it looks tactical, and yeah, really impressed with that. Let's see if the pouches are any good. I'll just open this one, the normal one. Cheap packaging, multicam black, molly design. So nice laser cut molly, nice and thin. Elasticized. Actually, let's see if I've got a magazine to chuck in there. Found one. Should have a bloody mag on me to start with. Would have been helpful. So I'll see how it goes. Yeah, really good snug fit. Good retention. It's just elasticized, so it's just elastic, but really good. Fits. Quite snug, so it's good retention, but does come out quite easily as well, so yeah, rate that. Pattern match, yeah, very close for multicam black. Yeah, looks very similar. Yeah, really rate that. Alright, final thoughts on the Ronin tactical belt. Look, I've gone through the unboxing, all that kind of stuff. My final thoughts are, this is bloody amazing. It feels legit, like the real deal. If you were to hand me this and I hadn't used or seen a Ronin tactical belt before, I'd believe this was the real deal. So much so that I very much was contemplating getting a second one, merely for the fact that it looks awesome and really rate it. The only way you can tell that this isn't is because of the Cobra buckle. It'll say the Cobra on it. Otherwise, Ronin tactical belt from AliExpress, we'll put the links in the description, and the mag carrier looks really good. Can't wait to test it out in the range. Anyway, see you in the next one.